In the time when gods and heroes still roamed the earth, myths and legends tell the story of how Hercules, following the death of the young princess Pyrene, erected a great stone mausoleum in her name, what we know today as the Pyrenees. From sea to sea, halfway between Spain and France, the Pyrenees is an imposing mountain barrier punctuated by valleys and villages that infuse the mountain range with life. A place of gathering and passage, life pulses on the slopes and nature is the main star of the show. A broad and modern transport network facilitates access to this great natural environment that features spas, peridors, and excellent quaint hotels that are ready to welcome discerning tourists that seek both adventure and tranquility.